Supposing somebody was talking about cancer, you would be surprised. We know what cancer is, but we don't know how to cure cancer. But we still give treatment which we know doesn't work. Chemotherapy and lot of things. And we know it doesn't work. But we still give it because it's a big business. You will be surprised to know that cancer business in America is $2.5 trillion business. So we want it to be perpetuated. Now we know 75% of the cancers are either due to tobacco or due to alcohol. But no government in the world, nowhere, has come forward to ban tobacco and alcohol because they are the ones that get them a lot of tax. And the governments run on tax, and the tax money comes from tobacco and alcohol to a great extent. So we want cancer, but we don't want cancer to go, because cancer is a business. Supposing cancer business goes away, cancer disappears, you will be surprised. Industries will close. Quite a lot of industries will close. Similarly, if diabetes goes away, thanks to the efforts of Pramod, a lot of industry suffers. You imagine the industry, insulin industry is a big industry. Now insulin pen, insulin this, insulin that, continuous insulin, what have you. It's a multi-million-dollar industry. All this will have to close because diabetes is a simple disease. It's not a disease, it's a metabolic change. Diabetes is not a disease of sugar. Sugar is only an indicator. Diabetes is a disease of liver where metabolism is completely upset. And so you have got to look after the whole human being. And the whole human being includes the most important part of the human being is human mind. Where is the mind? Never mind. Even your doctor thinks your mind is in the brain. And that's why mental diseases are treated with chemical drugs, which only affect the brain. Mind is not in the brain. Remember that. Mind is not in the brain. Mind is the consciousness. The whole human being is the mind. So if your mind is pleased, your diabetes is gone. If your mind is pleased, your heart disease is gone. If your mind is pleased, your cancer is gone. You hate somebody, your diabetes goes up. You hate somebody, you get a cancer. And you're very angry with someone and want to destroy somebody, you get hypertension and so many other diseases.